Hmm? Okay. Okay, that's good. Hmm.
My dad just bought a gun through them.
Yeah, but in Finland they marked them. They marked them somewhere in here too, so they gave them extra cartouches. From this angle, it's really hard. Problem is the clips.
What?
If you use clips over and over again, they get bent. Okay, I'm not going to use that clip. This is the one we use. So we're starting. 1940 is important because that's the year of Oswald's rifle also. But this is a 6.5. It's 1940. But more importantly, it's the 1938 stock, you know, which is a dead giveaway whenever you see
The notch?
the notch in the
Yeah, your rifle has the notch on both sides, right?
Correct, correct.
Didn't Oswald's not have the notch?
No, he had the notch, so it was just like this. In fact, this is the strap that Oswald used. This is the Air Force pistol strap. This costs almost as much as the rifle because it's so hard to find.
Oh, wow.
You'll notice it doesn't have hole marks or a scope mount plate. Go right here, and that's I just haven't found the plate. I mean, I'll buy it as soon as I find it.
Oh, wow. How old is that?
Probably maybe 100 years old.
Yeah, I bet it might be, yeah.
Could be. And so I'll just kind of go over what I've got here. Basically, I reload, and I do reload for a 6.5 Creedmoor. And today's 6.5s are typically .264. That's a typical width. And if you measure it, even in this consumer grade Western cartridge 6.5 Carcano bullet, or Carcano, whatever you want to say, this is also .264 if you were to measure it with a caliper, which I have right here to measure. And however, when you get into the military grade, oh, this is what we'll be shooting today. Alright, I'll just pull out this one. When you get, this is another consumer grade one. It is also .264 inches. So why is that important? Well, because 6.5 can be 2.64, 6.5 can be 2.63, up and up. 2.66, 2.68 even. So the military stuff is 2.665. That would be this. This is some very old military Carcano. And you'll notice this has the full metal jack on it. So this is not 2.64 like all of these are, like all three of these, okay? This is 2.665 inches, but they're all called 6.5 millimeter. Now, let's get into the Western cartridge that Oswald had. So, the Western Cartridge Company made these. This is from lot 6003.
Let me come over here so that the light is hitting you.
I'm looking to be. Okay.
I'll do 3 more.
Okay, so the way these things were zeroed in terms of the iron sights was that they were zeroed in way past 100 yards. So in other words, they shot high. Unless, of course, you're shooting out to 300, 400 yards or whatever it is they zeroed him in at. What happened here is these first 3 shots, this, and this, were from aiming here. The second time was from aiming here, and these were the 3 that resulted. Okay? Now this is not a tight... Way to do any of that again?
No, I got it.
Okay. All right. No problem with chambering this cheap stuff. I have this very old box of Western cartridge. Check it out. It won't even chamber. Okay, so it's chambered, but watch. It's like the head spacing is off. That is just odd. And I tried 2 different clips. It's just odd as hell. Here goes another one. Chambers just fine, it seems. But then it's like the head spacing is too big for it to actually bolt. That is crazy.